In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing on Windows. So if the option for Wi-Fi is not showing on Windows, there might be various reasons behind it. So you can do few things in order to fix it. The first thing that you can do is simply troubleshoot it. For that, what you have to do is simply click on the search icon that you can see at the bottom. Now what you have to do is search for settings. Now you'll be able to find the option for settings over here. Click on this option, open. Now after you do that, you can see over here settings will be opened. What you have to do is find this option for network and internet and click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the network and internet interface. Over here, make sure status option is selected. If status option is selected over here, right over here, you'll be able to find this option for troubleshoot. What you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here your problems will be detected. Now what you have to do is select the network adapter to diagnose. So what you have to do is click on this option Wi-Fi and click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now whatever problem your device is having will be detected over here. It will also troubleshoot the problem for you. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, there might be some problem with the hardware itself. In order to check that, what you have to do is simply click on the search icon again. Now what you have to do is simply type in run and press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here run will be opened. Click on this field and make sure to type in CMD. Now click on the OK option. Now you can see over here command will be opened. Now over here what you have to do is type in ping space 127.1.1.1. Press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to see this type of reply. So if you get this type of reply over here, that means there is no issue with hardware. If not, there might be some issue with the hardware itself. In that case, what you have to do is simply check the hardware. Now after you do that, your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply click on the search icon again. Now what you have to do is type in services. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Click on this option, open. Now services will be opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is simply scroll down. Now in the section for W, you'll be able to find this option for WLAN auto config. What you have to do is right click on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Right now it is not stopped for me, but sometimes this service might be stopped automatically. In that case, what you have to do is start it. For that, what you have to do is click on this option start that you can see on the screen. After you do that, it will be started. Now it will start running and your problem should be fixed. Now you should be able to connect to the Wi-Fi. Now the Wi-Fi option must be available for you. But still, if your problem is not being fixed, what you can do is simply reset your network. For that, what you have to do is simply close the services tab. Now in the settings, what you have to do is simply scroll down. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find this option for network reset. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is click on this option reset now that you can see on the screen. After you do that, your network will be reset and your PC will be restarted. After the PC is restarted, you'll be able to find the option for Wi-Fi over here. You'll also be able to connect to the Wi-Fi. So like this, you'll be able to solve your problem. So that is how you fix Wi-Fi option not showing on Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.